Hey friends, wait, where are you going? You're not going anywhere until you learn how to do this beautiful wing eyeliner and this eyeshadow. This look, oh my god, is so stunning. You can wear it in party wear or a daytime. I'm telling you, it looks so natural and beautiful. Now for wing liner, I'm going in with an angled brush from Morphe and I'm taking gel liner from Revolution. Both are affordable. Now start with the outer corner and bring it back towards your lid and start joining small lines on your upper lid. So it's like joining small lids gives you more control, and then you can always clean up by bringing more gel liner on top of the lid. Then for inner corner, again I'm taking gel liner and slowly connecting with my upper lid. Although it looks messy for inner corner, but don't worry, you can always clean up with the concealer. And then for waterline also, I'm using gel liner and creating a thick line in the lower lash. If you think your inner corner is getting messy, do not worry, just use a concealer to clean it up. I am not going to use it because we are going with a beautiful purple lilac shade from Huda Beauty Obsessions palette on a blending brush. Now if you want to go for daytime look, just wear the wing liner. It's stunning as is. For nighttime look, you can add this eyeshadow on your wing liner and start blending all over your crease. There is no rule for blending because we just want to smudge the liner and pack the whole purple shade on the lid. And once you have packed it, bring that shade towards the crease as well. After that, I took that brown shade from the palette. And the best part for this look is you do not need a lot of brushes. So if you are somewhere outside, you can always use these shadows. In the night time, just carry one brush with you and you're good to go. After adding this beautiful brown shade, I took this shimmer shade on my finger and just packed it all over the lid. Shimmer gives that night glam look and looks really stunning, and went with the same purple shade in my lower lash line. And to clear my wing, I went with some concealer. You do not need to do that step. It's just I wanted to get more precision. Then curled my lashes and added some mascara and added some falsies. This is my final look. Hope you love watching this tutorial. If you do, then do subscribe.